Hi, good evening. Okay, let's start. Yeah, this is my second session today, and the topic that I'm going to cover in today's session is humor. So, good evening, all, and I hope you guys are all taking care and being safe. My name is Amit त्यागी. मेरठ का हूँ, त्यागी हूँ और खुश हूँ. Let me explain. Merit is a very peaceful place, and Tyagi is a very peaceful community. I am a happiness coach where I work with people on keeping them happy. This not only improves health but ensures you have the best solutions to all problems. अभी मुझे समझने दीजिए. If there is one common want that we all need, वो क्या नीड होगी? What is it that everybody will want? People will want happiness. What is happiness? हम सब सोचते हैं कि बहुत सारा पैसा आ जाए तो हम सब खुश हैं. What else is happiness? Others say that बहुत सारा पैसा नहीं, when we have minimalism. What is minimalism? Minimalism is at times where you have absolutely less. You have everything according to your needs. Lesser wants, lesser इच्छाएं, lesser want to eat, lesser clothes. Oh, sorry. I said something wrong here. Whenever I say minimalism, I don't mean clothes because it becomes neighbor's envy and owner's pride. When I say happiness, happiness है क्या? सब लोग सोचते हैं भाई क्या कह रहा है, कहाँ है खुशी? इस टाइम पे खुशी दिखती कहाँ है? बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. मेरी लगी पड़ी हुई है और आप कह रहे हो खुश रहो. भाई दर्द हो रहा है, खुश तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So let me start an amazing story. The reason that I'm telling the story, or the entire thing of why am I wanting to say the story, is for everybody to understand that happiness is something from within. I can't go back and say कि यार मुझे खुश कर दो in the right terms. So when I'm explaining to you, I'll tell you there is a party where we attended, and it's an absolutely true story. There is a party. उस पार्टी में बहुत सारे जन हैं, and the guy who is giving the party is a bottler of one of the major MNC giants. पार्टी चल रही है. A lot of guys are asking questions. They are enjoying themselves. खुश है. Suddenly एक lady उठ के, उनके 2 छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, and this must be about 2 साल पुरानी बात है. One kid is about 6th and 7th standard at that time, and the elder brother would have been about 11th and 12th, so now he would have been in the first year right now. So this lady gets up and asks this small little kid कि बेटा आपको आपके माँ बाप और भाई खुश रखते हैं? The parents and the brother, the relatives of the guys who are giving the party are absolutely sure कि वो लड़की हाँ ही कहेगी यार. She has everything. She has the best vehicles, best education, best school, best everything. But the girl very affirmatively says नहीं, मेरा भाई मुझे खुश नहीं रखता. And people are very amazed to hear the story. They saying क्यों? आपके पास तो सब कुछ है. And I'm telling you the way this small girl replies. The small girl looks at that aunt and says, Auntie, happiness is a choice. That choice is with me. Why should I rely on my brother or my relatives or my parents to make me happy? They can do things which will get a smile on my face. But if it's left to me and I want to be happy, I will be happy because it's a choice with me. These words go down a long way. Everybody, wherever you go, people will say only one thing, that happiness is a choice. It's your choice. Stay happy and look at the difference. घर पे difference, काम पे difference, बहुत सारा difference होता है. तो खुश रहिए. As I said, today's topic is humor. और जब मैं ह्यूमर की बात करता हूँ, लोगों से पूछता हूँ ह्यूमर है क्या. बहुत से लोग कहते हैं ह्यूमर स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी है. ह्यूमर इज बीइंग अबाउट बीइंग वेरी फनी या बीइंग मोर इफेक्टिव एट वर्क प्लेस. नहीं भैया, ह्यूमर इज समथिंग दैट यू डू टू लाइटन थिंग्स अप. I will give you examples. Let's go back to our grandparents' place or grandparents' times. हमारे grandparents, our parents, used to crack jokes on each other. These jokes not only created an environment in the house where people were happy, but it created an environment that any tension that was there within anything was eased with appropriate solutions. There were different leg pullings in different way. If the grandfather had a chance, he would pull the leg. The grandmother would do it with absolute decorum and dignity when her time comes. So you should learn from them. And I'll give you an example. This is a personal story. Last time also I said, and I gave a personal story about what happened. This again is a very personal story. I was listening to the speaker and I was reading a lot of his books. I don't want to take the name out because names, throw a lot of challenges. The reason that I am saying this is whatever he said, it fits my bill absolutely bang on. Before I come to the story, I want everybody of you guys to go back and watch a movie called Club 60. The name describes this all. Club 60, what can Club 60 be? Club 60 is nothing but people who cross 60 years and they form a group and they reform the group how to stay happy. Each member of that movie is telling each other how to be happy, and the entire movie is filmed in such a way that whenever you watch the movie, you feel that there's one thing that we everything lack right now is happiness. So coming to that story which I said is a sync-on with what I had. My dad is about 83 years old now. और मेरे डैड ने जितने मोबाइल खोए हैं, I don't think so anybody must have even lost so many mobiles till now. My dad got a smartphone and Facebook and everything became routine for him to go back and comment. I used to work with Citibank. Citibank में काम करता था. Citibank छोड़ा. One of my very good friends offered me to start a cafe in his hospital. Cafe खोल दिया. And I was putting it to everybody that I knew. And I started getting a lot of comments saying, बेचारा अमित, अब क्या होगा? Salary कहाँ से मिलेगी? घर कैसा चलेगा? And I'm getting various comments on Facebook. I'm very happy. 100 comments हो गए, 200 comments हो गए. I'm thrilled looking at all the comments what people are saying. Suddenly my dad puts in a comment saying WTF. I say, what the? And then I wait. I said, nahi yaar. And my dad also, as I started the conversation, त्यागी हैं, मेरठ के हैं, और लियो हैं. I called him and I said, Dad, I spoke to you before I left. Everything was sorted out. You told me to leave the job and start. What happened? So Dad just smiled and said, Beta, I know you for ages. I know how happy you would be. I said, yes, Dad. I definitely will be happy, but what is WTF on a Facebook? My friends stopped commenting. मेरे वही 200 लाइक रह गए. मैं परेशान. My dad says, Beta, you love cooking, so I put it. I said, Dad, आपने डाला क्या? He says, wow, that's fun. And that is the first time I realized, guys, that WTF का कोई और ही मतलब होता है saying, wow, that's fun. I was amazed. And the reason that I told this story, this is unintended humor. So what does this do? What does humor do? Let me say this twice because it is very important. Humor makes the most wonderful moments glorious and the most tragic ones bearable. Again, I will want to repeat this because it's extremely critical. Humor makes the most wonderful moments glorious and the most tragic ones bearable. I always keep saying this, that happy people are most productive. Sometimes at work also, but happy people are most productive. Jokes aside, this is bad humor. And happy people are well placed as they do not hesitate to pass the torch to the next person. Why does this generation need humor the most? Because I see a lot of guys who are self-proclaimed. And what do I mean by self-proclaimed? We all are so busy, we are all overworked. This generation in this time has nothing but says overworked, overstressed, underappreciated and sleep deprived generation. भाई साहब, इतनी चीजें एक जनरेशन और इस टाइम में, क्या हम सब इतने ओवरवर्क्ड, ओवरस्ट्रेस, अंडर अप्रिशिएटेड, स्लीप डिप्राइव्ड हैं? तुम किसी को भी देखो यार, the guys have tensed. Why are you tensed? Believe me, go back to every workplace that you guys are in. You'll always find a hero at home. My heroes have been my parents. My parents have an amazing sense of humor. I don't know if I picked it up from them. But your hero is at home. You don't need to go back and look at any movie shows, any motivational talks. You find your answer at home. Just go there and look at it. I just want to give 30 seconds to you guys to think, who are your heroes? Go. Take the 30 seconds. Talk to them after this and say, how did you guys manage one company without any entertainment that we have right now? Sorry. Same set of people, same job. You just moved on, and how were you happy? They will give you that answer. If people back at home, and that we know, can go back and be happy for those 30, 40, 50 years, definitely we are missing out something right now. Let me ask you one question. When you get up in the morning, हम क्या करते हैं? Normally we brush our teeth, go to the loo, pee, she, everything. We never go to the mirror and say, अच्छा उठ गया आज तू. क्या करेगा? क्या जलवे दिखाएगा आज? Nothing of this sort, right? I want you to look straight into the mirror, guys, and say, Amit Tyagi, मेरठ वाले, खुश रहने वाले. Nothing is going to spoil your day today. You are going to be the best. And believe me, nothing is going to get your or between you and your day. A lot of guys, when they get up, children especially, people who are working, entrepreneurs, I say we are stressed. We are stressed. We are stressed. Guys, stressed को backward spell कीजिए. Write it down. STRESSED. If spelled backwards, is DESSERTS. That's deserts. Something sweet. All that you need to do is look at it with the right approach. If all your problems are looked with the right approach, even stress becomes desert, which is a sweet thing. Look at it with the right approach. On the funnier side, I was watching this video where one person wanted humans to be like machines. What I meant by machines is, rather than getting up in the morning, COVID का टाइम है, हमारे घर पे एक बेट चल रही है आजकल, जो सबसे ज़्यादा गुस्सा होगा और जो सबसे ज़्यादा नाराज़ होगा, झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन वही करेगा. तो हमारा पूरा परिवार बहुत खुश है अभी. कोई कुछ बोलता है, बहुत हंसते हैं हम. कोई कुछ बोलता है, ताली बजाते हैं. किसको करना है झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन? And we have one more thing very very important going on in the house right now. जो सुबह उठ के चाय बनाएगा वो रात के बर्तन धोएगा. Naturally यार, 24 साल हो गए, बीवी की सुबह सुबह आवाज़ आ जाती थी, यार चाय बनाओगे? I don't have an option यार. तो सबसे पहले चाय रखता हूँ, बर्तन धोता हूँ. Jokes aside, if people were like machines, what would happen? Think Alexa की आवाज़ में रोज़ सुबह मुझे कोई उठाता और कहता है, गुड मॉर्निंग मिस्टर त्यागी, स्वीट हार्ट, हाउ आर यू डूइंग दिस मॉर्निंग? It's time to empty your bladder. Your bladder is full with yesterday's beer that needs to get released. Wow. Rather than you rushing or running to the bathroom, there's somebody guiding you. Or you're looking at a very pretty girl. Pretty girl. Sorry. Preety. Pretty. My wife's name is Preeti. And I get confused a lot of times. Pretty. So I keep making this mistake. Or you're looking at a very pretty girl and the machine beep goes on. Recharge. You just smile, smirk and tell the machine वही तो कर रहा हूँ. सब गुरु यही कहते हैं, आंखों से जन्नत दिखती है भाई साहब. Everything looks so pretty. हे भगवान, शादी के 24 साल में भी यही हालत है, that all the pretty things are also looking pretty to me. As I stated earlier, crack jokes, crack humor. Humor is very important, but look at the timings that you need to crack humor. I will give you examples, or I'll give you 2 examples where people have cracked amazing humor, I think outstanding humor, but the placement and the timing of the humor is so dangerous. So let me give you the first example. Teacher is screaming at a student and says, "You're late again." The student smiles and goes and sits down on the chair. The teacher is very upset. Gets the student standing up and says, "Tell me why you're late every day to school." He laughs and says, "Teacher, masterine, तारे को एक चीज बताऊं के?" So teacher smiles and says, "Bata." The guy bends down like Shah Rukh Khan and says, "I was too cool for school." Guys, I think it is amazing humor, decent humor, but timings की लग गई यार. Second, your boss is screaming on you and he's really upset with the work that you're doing. He comes loudly and says, "Hey Amit, you're fired." And I do this. So he says, "What are you doing?" I say, "You just missed the firing." So guys, the reason that I'm saying this is, humor is very important. With humor, you achieve goals, you go to the next level. You find solutions. You find a lot of meaning. Your family looks at you. People look at you. I will give you 5 important tips of what humor can lead to. Humor leads you to create aim. Humor leads you to continuous acquire knowledge, because a person who is happy will always want to stand out in the crowd. He'll want to crack a joke where everybody wants to smile. He wants everybody to listen to him. He wants to be a crowd puller. So he continuously acquires knowledge. He works hard on himself. He works hard to see what people are appreciating. He smiles the hardest. He presses the magic button and he just succeeds. So it's very important to have this humor. I would like to take this opportunity, sorry, but this is a 1-minute deviation to what I'm talking today. I actually got out of city and started this cafe, as I told you guys. I know a friend of mine who used to call me daily and say, "Kya karna chahta hai tu?" And I used to answer one question very clearly to him, "Cafe chalana chahta hu." He used to call me again the next day and say, "Kya karna chahta hai Amit?" I said, "Cafe chalana chahta hu." He says, "Nahi, wo ek cheez bata. Tell me that one thing that you want to do." I said, "Cafe chalana chahta hu." The guy really got a little this thing. He's saying, he sent me a book. The book is also named as the one thing. He says, "Read it and tell me what you want to do." So I want to take this opportunity and thank that gentleman in this entire place while I'm speaking, because if he would have not forced me to start, he caught hold of me and said, "Amit, you can make people smile. You can make people laugh." The guy is extremely witty himself. He cracks that one-liners which are just amazing. So I would like to take this opportunity and thank Mohit Miglani, who really enforced me to do and start this company. Of course, a lot of friends got together and put the names, but Mohit, especially you, to force me to do this, thank you so much. I will end today's session, but I want to end today's session on 3 humorous jokes that I have put together from various books and videos that I have been reading. The reason that I'm telling you these jokes is look at the humor, unintended light humor. But what it does, It lightens up the entire mood. Friends, guys, are a source of not only guiding us to the next level, but telling us, cracking the jokes and, enlightening the mood that we guys are in. So let's go and listen to this three short stories, three short jokes, three humorous incidences. So let me start with one. Preeti Tyagi asked Amit Tyagi one day, saying, क्या मैं आपके सपनों में आती हूँ? I am very stunned and says, यार 24 साल से तो साथ में ही है. What is this question? आप मेरे सपने में आती हूँ and all. So then she gets upset and she still asks, क्या मैं आपके सपने में आती हूँ? I still look at my eyebrows, I raise them and say, नहीं आती. Now she gets angry. Still again she comes back and says, क्या मैं आपके सपनों में आती हूँ? I smile and say, नहीं आती. She says, क्यों नहीं आती मैं आपके सपने में? I said, मैं रोज रात को हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ के सोता हूँ और उसमें वेरी साफ साफ लिखा है, भूत पिचास पास नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. So guys, the second one. Einstein and Mr. Tyagi were traveling on an aircraft. Einstein looks at Mr. Tyagi and says, oh Indian, चल आज इसको ना बेवकूफ बनाते हैं. Einstein looks at him and says, I will ask you a question, you ask me one. If you can't answer my question, pay me 50. If I can't answer your question, I'll pay you 5,000. त्यागी जी तो बहुत खुश हो गए. He says, प्लेन के पैसे, रात का इंतजाम, सब कुछ हो गया यार. Einstein asks Mr. Tyagi a question, says, what is the distance between the earth and the moon? Yeah, Tyagis don't get into rack breaking and sargya and all. He removes 50 and he gives it to him. ये लीजिए 50 रुपए. I don't know the answer, thank you. Then he looks at Einstein. Now Einstein looks at Mr. Tyagi and says, अभी आपकी बारी. So Mr. Tyagi asks him a question saying, कौन सा जानवर है जो पहाड़ पे 3 पांव पे चढ़ के जाता है, बट जब लौटता है तो 4 पांव पे लौटता है? So Einstein is very confused, one of the top scientists. He pulls out everything for answers, he doesn't find one. He calls for the sat phone. Through the sat phone, he's talking to everybody, trying to figure out क्या चल रहा है भाई, क्या आंसर है इसका. He calls for a meeting of all the scientists. None have been able to answer this question. So he tells Mr. Tyagi, I have lost ये लो 5,000 रुपए. Mr. Tyagi takes the 5,000 rupees and sleeps. Einstein is very angry. Einstein gets up and says, wakes Mr. Tyagi up and says, give me the answer. Tyagi, as I said, are very, very smart people. He removes rupees 50 and gives back to Einstein saying, मुझे भी नहीं पता, thank you. So, unintended light humor changes a lot of things. And the reason that I'm telling you this short stories or jokes is when you go back and listen to people who crack humor, who make people happy, who get and find solutions happily to other people, are the most wanted people in the society right now. Go back to your childhood days, go back to your present days, and look at your best friends that you have come up with. Your best friends are the people who will make you smile, because that is what you require today. My last joke, and then I end the day today. There's an Englishman who visits UP. He goes to the guy selling milk and says, do you have yogurt? The UP guy, of course, does not understand English, and the guy points out and he removes a matki and says, this is the yogurt. So the Englishman looks at the UP guy and says, your yogurt is very thick. Now the UP guy, and knowing the people from UP, he gets up and he says, I will talk my best English that I know. So the guy is trying to do everything together to put a story to them, ki what do I answer this guy? So he looks at the Englishman and he says, milk night, morning tide. Milk night, morning tide. So once again, an Englishman goes to UP, asks the guy there who's selling milk for yogurt. Of course, the guy doesn't understand. He points it out and shows dahi to him. The story continues. The guy looks at the yogurt and says, very thick yogurt. the UP guy has to answer back something. So he prepares all his English together and says, milk night, morning tide. Coming back, an Englishman goes to UP. Oh God, wait. I am repeating the same joke again and again. आपको ये लग रहा होगा कि यार इसकी सुई अटक गई है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, ये सेम जोक बार बार मुझे क्यों सुना रहा है. सो गाइज, आई वॉन्ट टू एंड विथ वन थॉट. अगर हम सेम जोक पे बार बार नहीं हंसते, हम अपने सेम प्रॉब्लम पे बार बार क्यों रोते हैं? गो बैक, गिव अ थॉट कि what is going to be that change that you guys are going to get in your lives today? What is it that you guys are going to and listen to people who can get that change in your life? Be happy, be safe. Thank you once again listening to Amit. This is Amit Tyagi. Thank you.